Hello students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today for class 9 students, we are going to discuss assignment number 49 on trigonometry. Okay, now let us see the first question. 210 degrees in radians is. So whenever you want to convert one system into another system, okay, what is the rule? Actually we have a relation between the three systems, that is d by 90 is equal to g by 100 is equal to c by pi by 2. This is the relation between the three systems, degree, grades as well as that is circular or radian system. Now he is asking us to convert degree system into radian system. So degrees to circular system, radians we have to convert. Okay, using the relation d by 90 c by pi by 2, we can convert the degrees into radians. Okay, now let us see how to do that. Now, solution. We have 90 degrees as we have seen now. D by 90 is equal to C by pi by 2. This is the relation. D by 90 is equal to C by pi by 2. Using this relation, we can do it. Here D is nothing but 210. That is 210 by 90. That is equal to 2C by pi. Otherwise, okay. Next. See here 0 0 cancels. What is the resultant answer here we have? Here we have 3 times and 7 times. So 7 by 3 into here 2 by pi, if you transpose to the other side it will become pi by 2. That is going to be C. Fine. Now that is otherwise C is equal to 7 pi by 6. C means circular measure 7 pi by 6. So that resultant will be in radians. Already he is saying that 210 degrees in radians. So here we can write the answer as 7 pi by 6. So 210 degrees is equal to 7 pi by 6 radians. So this is how we can solve it. Fine. Now let us see the next question. 270 grades, 270 degrees in grades. So here also, what is the relation between degrees and grades? D by 90 is equal to G by 100. This is the relation we have. This is the relation between degrees and grades. So D, if you take, D is nothing but 270 that you take by 90, that's equal to G by 100. So that is otherwise, what is G value now? 270 by 90 times of 100. If you simplify, 91s and 93s here. So that is 3 into 100, that is 300. So as it is grades, it will be grades. The unit for that is 300 grades. We will write it as capital G. Right? So 300 grades. So as he is saying 270 degrees in grades, the answer will be second option. Okay. Now let us move to the next question. 600 grades is equal to dash degrees. 600 grades is equal to how many degrees? How to do that? We have D by 90 is equal to G by 100. The same relation I can use. Degree by 90 into 100. See, I want in degrees. So let me take that is equal to G is how much here? 600 by 100. That implies D is equal to here. These two zeros will cancel and it is 6 into 90. If you transpose to the other side, it will multiply. So 6 into 90, that is nothing but 6 9s are 54. So it is 540. So D is equal to 540. So 600 grades is equal to how many degrees? 540 degrees. 600 grades is equal to 540 degrees. 540 degrees is nothing but first option. Okay. Now let us see the next question. 12 pi radians. This C stands for unit radians. So 12 pi radians by 5 is equal to how many grades? So the relation between grades and radians we have to take. What is that? Grade by 100 is equal to C stands for circular measure, that is in radians by pi by 2. This is the relation we have. Now what is given? We are given C value. So G is equal to 100 times of what is C for us? 12 pi by 5. Okay. So divided by 2. So if you simplify further, so this is going to be, so 100 ones will be 5 ones and 5 20s here. So 20 into 12. How much is that? That is 240 pi by pi into 2. So pi cancels. So what is this? This is nothing but 480. In grades it is 480. Means we can say 12 pi c by 5 is equal to 480 grades. So 12 pi by 5 radians is equal to 480 grades. So out of the given options, which is the right answer? Third option is the right answer. Okay. Now let us see the next question. 700 grades is equal to how many radians? Here also we have the relation between grades and radians. So grades G by 100 is equal to C by pi by 2. This relation we have to use. So we are given grades, that is 700. G is given as 100 by 100. That is, I can write it as 2 into C by pi or 2 pi by into C. Now what do we need now? Zeros cancel here. We need C. So C will be 7 times of this 2 by pi. If you transpose to the other side, will become pi by 2. Therefore, C is 7 pi by 2. Means 700 grades is equal to 7 pi by 2 radians. 7 pi by 2 radians is that. So out of the given options, which is the right answer? Second option is the right answer. Okay. So that is the end of this assignment. Thank you. Have a good day.